Welcome guys to this video, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a landing page for your affiliate website. Okay, so please stick with me to the end of this video because I'll be showing you a secret you don't know on how you can create a landing page for yourself. Before I start, my name is Edu Digitals and I'm an affiliate marketer. I teach people how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, now let's go into the video. Now for you to create your landing page, all you have to do is go over to your browser, whether you're using Chrome, Kiwi browser. Go to your browser and search for systemy.io. Okay, so let's search for systemy.io. Okay, so click on search. Then this how the site looks like. So all you have to do, if you don't have account here, you go and create your account by putting your email address here. You can see it. This is the place you put your email address here. Okay, so you put your email address there and then you click on get my free account. Then with that, your account has been created. So after creating your account, then this is how it will look like. Let me log into my account and show you. Now this is my account. Okay, so all you have to do is, for you to create your landing page, you go to these three lines at the top right corner. Okay, so I mean these three lines here. You can see the three lines here. Can you see my arrow? Click on the three lines there. Then it will show you dashboard, contact, funnel, emails, blogs, automation, product and sale, help and logout. Okay, so for you to create your landing page, you have to click on the funnels. Tap the funnels. Okay, so these are all the funnels I've created. That is all the landing page I've created. Okay, so all you have to do is you go to where you say create, this place. Okay, go to create, this area, go to create. Okay, so you click on it. It show you name. That's the name of the landing page. You can use free book. Okay, so click on save. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified each time I drop a new video like this one you just watched, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, like this video so that